Yo, what's up, YouTube? We back at it again. Part 4, episode 4, whatever you want to call it, of working on the Honda Del Sol. So y'all gotta excuse my jank ass setup, but I got the drilling arm bushing out, and I'm taking a break right now before I even begin to put the next one back in. I'm gonna clean up that hole a little bit and wire wheel it, try and make my life a little easier. But yeah, all I did was just drop them 2 bolts, drop the 2 17s that hold those in, and block of wood, towel to protect the paint. It worked, and on the way to the install. Hey yo, got a new part for the Stunt scooter. Peep this. Hey, they make fart can exhaust for scooters too. Ain't nothing in there. Straight through. I'm about to get rid of this old crusted stock one. I done scraped it. It's seen better days. As you can see. It's time to go bye-bye. Another reason for me changing this exhaust out and going to like that fart can exhaust is because with this being my little stunt scooter and whatnot, I'd rather be heard, because I already know I'm on a small vehicle, so I kind of want to be heard. That way, you know, when I'm in traffic or anything like that, people know there's another vehicle there, even if the wheel is up in the air. I might add some LED lights up under the bottom too. That way when the wheel's up in the air, I still can see the road. Oh shit, I can see the road and stuff at night. And that's really how easy it is to take these exhaust stuff, yo. That's it? Yeah, let me get the other one put on. All right, so this is the new look. I'm gonna set y'all up back here while I hit the first start up. Let's see what this thing sounds like now. Oh yeah. I love the way that thing ride. It's been a minute, man. I ain't hit no wheelies on it in almost like a month. I ain't really been able to take it out. It's been so much rain and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to get on back to work on this Honda, and I'm gonna set y'all up while y'all watch me put in one of the rear trailing arms. So it's gonna be a struggle, and I'm gonna just edit out the second one. I ain't gotta show y'all me putting in both. All right, so with me putting in this rear trailing arm, as you can see, I've been beating the hell out of it. This is my setup. Y'all already know I'm working on that fender, so I don't care too much about how it look, but I do got a towel over it. I'm gonna set y'all up right here. Hopefully you can see. I got it at an angle to where I can hit it with just a hammer, I think. I'm still having to work around it, so. Oh, missed it. I'm tired of shit. I don't know if y'all can see this. Tired ain't the word. This is all right. Now that I got it seated, you can see it's all beat to shit. But it's flush. Took about an hour's time. Now I'm gonna jack the car back up, figure out how to put this back on. I know it's gonna be tension in places I don't expect. Yeah. Get some suspension back. The whole wheel ain't wobbling right to left no more. See if I can get y'all in that same view. It's a lot better than when I first did it. Them polyurethane bushings would have been good, but now I'm gonna turn y'all on while I do the second side. In case y'all don't know what bad trailing arm bushings look like, that's the bushing there. And that's me shaking the tire. Like, I can see the whole bushing moving. See, yeah, I'm about to get this one swapped out. All right, y'all, got it all back together now. As you can see, no more shakeage. I can go ahead and drop this thing on down off the jack. It's been a day. It's been a day for real, y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. This thing about to be hitting the road within the next 2-3 days, for real. Also, before I cut y'all off and let y'all go, peep this. I got the driver's side primered up. I still got a light spot back there. That's somewhere I'm gonna end up doing just a little bit more body work, but it does look good. And I primered out that green bumper, so this thing gonna be ready for paint eventually.